Welcome back. You're watching News Desk on KTN News. Now to a heartbreaking story, a developing story. A woman from Ndiwa in the county of Homabay is set to be arraigned after she allegedly beheaded her one-year-old son Saturday night, reportedly for refusing, get this, to breastfeed. 23-year-old Knight Akoth is alleged to have used a panga to commit the heinous act at around 9 p.m. Saturday. Area Assistant Chief Gabriel Nyatame said the woman suffers a mental disorder, something that the courts will be seeking to verify. Let's get more from KTN's Kevin Ogutu. Good afternoon, Kevin. What do we have on this story?
Well, thank you so much. And as you put it, it's quite a terrible story coming at a time that people are more keen on children's rights and also human rights. So the latest from this particular incident is that Knight Akoth, the 23-year-old woman who reportedly beheaded her one-year-old son on Saturday night at about 9 p.m. was today arraigned in court, and she appeared before Principal Magistrate Mary Ochieng. Of course, the investigating officers had requested for more time for her to be in custody, and the court has granted the investigating officers an additional 7 days to have her in custody as they continue with the investigations. And part of the things that will be going on in the 7 days requested by the police is that she will be going for mental assessment at the Homabay Teaching and Referral Hospital in Homabay town. That means that in 7 days' time, she will, depending on the outcome of the assessment, either she will be appearing at the High Court, because the procedure is that for all the murder cases, the trial starts at the High Court. So this was just a request by the investigating officers to allow them to have her in custody as they finalize on investigations, and also ensuring that the mental assessment is done as it is required by law. So as we speak right now, the one-year-old whose head was separated from the body with a sharp panga the mother used on the Saturday night, and the body is now lying at Kabado mortuary in Homabay, County. And apart from that, the mother, we are also informed that is a mother of three. This was the last born, who reportedly had refused to breastfeed, angering the mother to that extent. Of course, there have been the question on the mental situation of the mother, because of how grave this issue has turned out to be, with the area assistant chief saying that there were chances that she could have been mentally unstable. But this is something that, of course, will come out from the mental assessment that is expected to be done in the next 7 days. And, of course, the process of finding out whether or not she's guilty of murder will start in earnest in court at the expiry of the 7 days. As we speak right now, she will continue cooling her heels at the Ndiwa police station cells, waiting the conclusion of these processes so that she can be formally arraigned in court. So from there we'll find out whether or not she will be taking plea regarding the incident that happened on the Saturday night at their home in Kanyago sublocation in Ndiwa, Homabay County. So that's the match that we have. Back to you in studio.
Thank you so much. That's been my colleague Kevin Ogutu just furnishing us with the details concerning that very disturbing story of a mother beheading the one-year-old son for refusing to breastfeed. Of course, we'll be giving you much more on that because it is a case still in the hands of the juries. But that said, let's now flip over to politics. ODM leader Raila Odinga has begun a tour of the coast region as he steps up campaigns in the vote-rich region. Odinga is set to lead BBI proponents alongside President Uhuru Kenyatta to drum up support for the BBI bill countrywide. The coast region remains a key support base for the former Prime Minister, who is now facing competition from both his deputy in the Orange Party, Mombasa Governor Ali Hassan Joho, and Deputy President William Ruto. Odinga is set to visit the county of Taita Taveta today. KTN's Hezron Kimari is there and now joins us.
Well, now